Hello, this is James with Cold Air Inductions. Today we'll be installing an Elite Series Cold Air Induction system on a 2017 Chevy Colorado 2.8 liter Duramax turbo diesel. Here's the tools required for this installation. Ratchet, 12-inch extension, 10mm, T15 Torx, T20 Torx, 5/16 nut driver or a flathead screwdriver, 3mm Allen wrench, 2.5mm Allen wrench.
Turn off the ignition, let the engine cool before installation. Disconnect the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket and ratchet. Unplug MAF sensor. Note, do not remove the engine cover. Remove clip from OEM air induction housing. Loosen worm clamp using a 5/16 nut driver. Remove engine cover duct from the factory air induction housing cover. Remove two nuts that retain factory air induction housing with a 12-inch extension and 10mm socket. Remove housing from vehicle. Housing is held in by a grommet in the wheelhouse. Pull firmly to remove air induction housing and rotate horn out of hole in fender. Using the T20 Torx driver, remove the screws and pull out the MAF sensor. Remove the rubber grommets and metal standoffs from the factory air induction housing. Reinstall the rubber grommets and metal standoffs from the factory air induction housing into the new air induction housing assembly legs. Using a 2.5mm Allen wrench, remove screws. Place the MAF sensor into the MAF housing and reinstall the button head cap screws. Remove warning sticker and protective coating on glass from the cover. Install the new air induction housing assembly into the truck. Push air induction housing firmly to seat into grommets that are located in the fender well. Reinstall nuts into legs of box and torque to 12 Nm or 9 foot-pound. Install MAF tube into the hole in the box from the outside. Install tube so that notch is pointing up as shown. Seat rubber sleeve from engine cover onto MAF tube. Be sure to align flap on engine cover into notch in MAF tube. Note, alignment is critical for proper functioning of the MAF sensor. Tighten the clamp. Install air cleaner by lining up the bump on the air cleaner to the arrow on the MAF tube. Seat air cleaner fully on the MAF tube. Alignment is critical for proper function of the MAF sensor. Tighten clamp. Reconnect MAF sensor. Using the supplied zip tie, secure the MAF harness at the anti-abrasion loom to the coolant line and trim the excess zip tie. Lift up on the hose and install air induction housing cover. Tighten the cover using attached quarter turn fasteners with a 3mm Allen wrench. Time for a test drive. On Duramax powered vehicles, maximum power is achieved by removing the air induction housing duct in the inner fender. Inside the passenger side wheel well, remove the 3 center screws in the fender liner. Slide back the liner and pull it down. Take caution not to lose the speed nuts. Gently pry out the 2 plastic anchors securing the air duct and remove it. Reinstall the fender liner.
This concludes the installation. If you have not already, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel.